Everyone, exciting news! Instagram just introduced gold notes and they're a game changer. If you're ready to give your notes a splash of gold, you have come to the right place. I will walk you through everything you need to know to start this new feature right now. It's easy, it's fun, and it's going to make your Instagram stand out like never before. Let's get into it. First, once you're in your Instagram account, head up to your profile by tapping the profile icon. Once you're in your profile, tap on the note. Here you must add the word gold in your notes to avail the gold option. So let's just write now tap on share. See, there you go. Your notes are now glowing with that gorgeous gold color. How cool is that? If you enjoyed this video and want to stay on top of all the latest Instagram features, make sure to hit the subscribe button and because there's always something new to discover and you don't want to miss it out. So, till then, goodbye.